Hi everybody, welcome back for another video. You see I have some tea-ins here, but I have a blue pouch. All I did was cut it open. I'm going to pull out my receipt first. Whoops. Oh, there was a sticker in there. That. And something fell. That. Let me pull those out. And then let me pull this out. There we go. So, you can see I had an order come from Chic Sparrow. This is their product warranty card that comes with all of their items. And look how cute that is. I'll put that on one of my journal inserts for next year. Oh, and it also came with a silica dry gel things. So I ordered a few items. They had a sale, and add this to my paper for journaling. I've been using, where did I put mine? Here it is. I have these in many colors. I have the green one, I have the Carrie Harleen Violet, I've got the, it looks like a toffee now, but it was buttered rum, and I have a couple of other ones in special brown leathers that they don't, like Evanwood and something else that they don't make anymore. So I've been using these for my wallet. I have my IDs and stuff on this side, my monthly calendar, one of my backstage pass. This is, even though it says Don Quixote, it's also for Nutcracker. And then I have a doc grid insert back here for notes and stuff, and some cash and voter card and stamps and AAA and my Starbucks card. So this is my wallet. This I carry everywhere with me. So they had a, I want to say it was like a 30% sale, minimum 30% or something. And so I decided to get one of those, Nano, it's a Nano. Sorry, the lights flickered. In black. So this is, I forget what they call this color now. It's basically like what used to be known as the Darcy Black. I don't know what it's called anymore. This is called Morland. Austen Morland. Sorry about it's really weird about the lights. And it has their new logo embossed. And it's black. The lighting might have changed. Sorry about that. I think the light bulb is needing to be changed. So I'm going to, well, actually I can't. This one has the elastics differently. So I'll just, this I will move into. Very cute. So this will be my, when I'm ready, I'll move into it. I'll move in from this lovely green one. But there's that. But the main reason we're here is for this. I ordered something that they've had, but I hadn't really seen anyone buy one. I love, my very first traveler's notebook was this one. This is a Midori. Ooh, I'm sorry, I got some extra inserts in there. This is actually, it says Midori made in Thailand. I got this in 2013, 2014. right around the time that Chic Sparrow started making traveler's notebooks. Well, they have something new out, and you'll see that it is a single elastic, and the elastic is coming out of the back. And this is in like the Mr. Darcy burgundy. The leather is definitely different than when I got my first Mr. Darcy burgundy in the standard size that actually had the 4 elastics. I ended up selling that one, and it had the elastic coming out of the back too. I mean, this was a long, or I might have had it out of the spine. I can't remember. But I had a VIP passport made, which I still have and I still sometimes use. But I sold the burgundy one because it was just a little too big for me. So when they started to come out with these again, I was like, okay, I gotta get one. This one looks like it might be a little distressed, and I didn't ask for that. But the leather, the Darcy leather, which is this, is slightly different than it used to be. It used to be so much thicker. And it has their new stamp. See the new stamp. But what it is it is a single elastic. You'll notice how it's split at the top and the bottom, kind of like that of the Traveler's Factory or the Midori. See how there's that split up there? And I want to see, oh, so it comes with the Traveler's Notebook, single elastic with the spine out of the back. They're really trying to create something that is like this, but with, you know, their fancy leathers. And then it also has a dashboard and a Chic Sparrow insert. Let's see what this looks like. So it's basically their Traveler's Notebook starter set. And you can get it in a variety of sizes, like B6, a couple of other sizes, and then it's only available in the Darcy leather here, or I forget what they call this leather now. I used to call it Mr. Darcy because that's what it was called years ago, because I haven't bought Chic Sparrow in a long time. I actually haven't bought a lot of Traveler's Notebooks in a long time, but I wanted to see. I've been using a couple of my Foxy Fixes over my Midoris because they're a little bit bigger. They're still not as large as the 4 elastic Chic Sparrow, my Foxy Fixes, but they're about a ½ inch or more, just a slightly more than a ½ inch larger than the Midori. And that extra width really does help. This feels like Tomoe River paper, or like a Cosmo Air light paper. Very nice. And it says Nano. It's a really pretty blue. And it includes one of their dashboards. So you pretty much have, you know, folders here, an insert, and a cover. You have everything you need in order to get going in your Traveler's Notebook. But what I want to do is I want to compare the size. I want to see just how big or small it is in comparison to the Midori. So you'll see, let me take the pen loop off. The Midori is about 1/2 inch smaller and just a little bit shorter. You can see up here. It's just a little bit shorter and just a little bit wider. Now, let's compare it with the Foxy Fix. This one I've had since 2019. Let me take my writing boards out. So we'll put the Foxy Fix down. I know the Midori's the smallest of them all. Oh, it's about the same size. I like that. It's maybe just, they were about the same size. The Foxy Fix might be just a smidge wider. You can see that. Just a smidge wider. And that could be because they left that because of the stitching and the pockets. But look at that. Yeah. They're almost the exact same size. So what I want to do is I want to take the stuff that I've been using this year and put it inside of this notebook. So what I have in here is I have a monthly diary, what I'm using at least through the end of December. I do have stuff in here for January, but I do have a new one of my calendars set up. I'm using my weekly. Let's see. Here we are in the week. I've got a folder, and then I have one of my Planning with John grid inserts that I've been using. I've got some of my stickers and a little grumpy bear. You know, just some things that I like to keep. And we're going to put this under the elastic. So we've got these two inserts in folder with a jump band. And then this insert, because I tend to write in it a lot, because it's my weekly planner. We'll put that underneath the main elastic. And so we get all of that stuff in there. And let's look at that. It's a firmer leather, but I think over time, it's going to age nicely. You can see it's a burgundy color. It's actually kind of similar to this color. This might have a little bit more brown in it. But that also could be because I've, used it since 2019 a lot. And this will definitely age over time. And I only have one standard size Chic Sparrow anymore. It has the 4 elastics, and it is in the the creme brulee, the brown one. What is it? The chocolate color. It feels so nice. And it smells good too. And I wonder if they have a machine that, because, the embossing that they do, I wonder if they use that same machine to cut this out of the leather. It's a really pretty piece of leather. One thing that is nice about the elastic when it comes out the back, say you're writing in your insert and this flops up a little bit, what you can do is you can pull the elastic over the top or bottom, and it'll hold it down. See that? All I did was pull that over the corner, and it holds it. But you could do that to the bottom too. See that? So I love the single elastic standard size, and that was why I purchased this. I really wasn't planning on getting any new notebooks this holiday season, but Chic Sparrow had a sale, and I decided, well, I'll just get it now, and then I'll have it for the year, and I'll be done. And I'm so looking forward to using this as my wallet. I have the Carrie Harleen Violet, which I was in, and then I moved back into this green, but I'm going to move into this one. So that's really all I have, but it's actually a really good deal. You get the leather cover, you get a dashboard, the clear dashboard, which you can use to put decorative things in, or you can use it as like folders, like a folder, and then it comes with an insert. So it really is everything that you need to get started in your traveler's notebook. So you could just put it in here and be ready to go. Yeah, you can see I've used this one a lot. This one I've used even more. Let me put this back in there. But see how this one has the elastic out of the spine? So you can't really do that. It doesn't really do it as well when it's out of the spine. So let me set these ones aside so you can see these two a little bit more up close. See that? So pretty. And there's their new logo down there. The elastic coming out of the back. Here's the new logo. And the Chic Sparrow has these wonderful S pockets. Like this is one piece of leather that they cut in half. See? Boop. Yeah, I thought a black one would be nice to have since I use it as a wallet. Okay, that is all I have to share with you today. If you have any questions, leave the comment down below and I will get back with you as soon as I can. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.